We're first going to look at monochromatic, and the name is exactly what it says. Mono meaning one, chromatic meaning chroma or color. So it could be a red, orange, and orange, a yellow, orange, yellow, any color you want, and or their values associated with it. We're not going to go for a high chroma color for the monochromatic versions. We're going to go for a warm and cool version. That said, we're not going to do a blue and an orange opposite to see what we can do with extreme cools and extreme warms. We are going to pull out the burnt umber and the raw umber. And there's two reasons why I want to use these two pigments. One, they're readily available and anybody can buy them most anywhere. The other reason is it's quite interesting. Both are, as you can see, PBR 7. And so that's the pigment. It's pigment, which is the P. BR means brown, and 7 is the numerical marker. So they're both PBR 7. The only difference is burnt umber is exactly the way it sounds. It has been burnt. It has been heated up. They've taken the PBR7 pigment and heated it up to an extent that it becomes quite warm. The raw umber is untreated as it is from the supplier, and it is quite an interesting pigment. It is a dark pigment. It almost leans towards the green side as you add more weight. As you can see here, it's very low chromatic, very dull, quite cool actually. Now if we switch over to the burnt umber, you can see it's substantially warmer, takes on quite an orange reddish hue. Each manufacturer's burnt umber and raw umber is slightly different depending on their suppliers, but this is what we're going to start off with. You'll be guaranteed that the raw umber will always be cooler than the burnt umber. Okay, let's get started on the monochromatic series, starting with our raw umber. All right, as we just went over, this is my raw umber. It's my PBR 7. And then of course we need our good strip of white for our value shifts in this monochrome painting. All right, moving into our second monochrome painting, we're going to go with burnt umber this time. Remember, it's a PBR 7. It's just cooked longer than the raw umber. And of course, we need our PW6 titanium white. Thank you for watching. Let me know which one of these is your favorite. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers, everyone.